fired up to be part of the Jamaica Food and Drink 2021. Who would have thought that we could all still gather at this time in this such a delightful twist on the Jamaica Food and Drink. Now, Visa challenged us to create 3 dishes, typically Caribbean, that match the theme, screw it. So what better way to do it? I got in touch with Rainforest and I got some colossal shrimps, which we flambéed in coconut rum, and then we finished in a red stripe jus in a beurre blanc. And the jack of all trades is simple jackfruit, done up in a nice curry, finished in a chiffonade of turmeric, and then done in a coconut twist of a roti. So it's a coconut infused roti. My last dish, but one of my favorites, is my salmon. Now the salmon is actually done as a martini. And so what we did, we fried crispy rice noodles, and then they get all puffy. And then on top of that, you brown butter your salmon, then you top it with a ackee béarnaise. Yes, believe it or not, a béarnaise whipped with ackee, and then topped with a little bit, a hint of roast saltfish, and that makes you all fired up.
Chef Seriously here from Great House Caterers, and tonight we're serving our pan-seared beef with a Scotch bonnet aioli on top of an Easter bun. We also have the Parmesan crusted chicken popper with a chocolate chili sauce, and we have our pulled pork stuffed mac and cheese spring rolls.